Have you been feeling sluggish, run down, or simply out of sync with your health goals? Maybe it's time to introduce you to the transformative world of plant-based nutrition. This is not just about changing your diet, it's about changing your lifestyle. It's about nourishing and revitalizing every cell in your body with the power of whole, natural foods. Imagine a healthier, more vibrant you, powered by a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Now, what if we told you that this transformation is easier to achieve than you think? Over the course of this video, we're going to delve into the many benefits of plant-based nutrition. We'll also provide you with practical tips and easy recipes to help you seamlessly incorporate more plant-based foods into your meals. Today, we'll showcase not only the incredible benefits of a plant-based lifestyle, but also share practical tips on how to seamlessly incorporate more plant-based foods into your meals. But first, let's talk benefits. In the wide-ranging world of nutrition, plant-based eating stands out for its profound impact on our health. When we choose to nourish our bodies with whole natural foods, we unlock a myriad of benefits. One of the most notable advantages is a surge in energy levels. By consuming nutrient-dense plant foods, we provide our bodies with an efficient, sustainable source of energy that keeps us vibrant and active throughout the day. Next, we have better digestion. Plant-based foods are rich in fiber, a key player in promoting a healthy gut. This leads to improved digestion and absorption of nutrients, making us feel lighter and more comfortable. Lastly, adopting a plant-based diet can significantly reduce our risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that this lifestyle can help prevent and even reverse conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Imagine feeling more vibrant and full of life than ever before. That's the power of plant-based eating. Now, are you ready to make a change but wondering how to start? Well, we've got you covered. Starting your plant-based journey doesn't have to be a mountainous task. It's all about taking baby steps and gradually broadening your palate. A small yet effective way to kickstart this journey is by incorporating a plant-based meal once a day. For instance, breakfast could be a fresh fruit smoothie, or lunch could be a hearty veggie wrap. Another practical tip is to shop the outer aisles of your grocery stores. This is where you'll usually find the freshest fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Stock your pantry with these nutrient-dense foods, and you're already halfway there. But don't just stop at stocking up. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with new recipes, play around with different plant-based ingredients, and make your meals not just nutritious, but also delightfully delicious. And here's one more thing to remember. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every plant-based meal you prepare and consume is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. So don't be too hard on yourself. Embrace the journey, savor each meal, and celebrate every small victory. And lastly, remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Every plant-based meal is a step in the right direction. And for those moments you might think you're alone in this transformation, remember there's a vibrant community of plant-based lovers out there, ready to support you on your journey. These are folks who have embraced the plant-based lifestyle and are thriving, just like you will be. They're full of tips, tricks, and delicious recipes to help you navigate this exciting journey. Just as no two plants are the same, each person's journey to a plant-based lifestyle is unique. It's about finding what works for you, discovering new foods and flavors, and learning to love the process of nourishing your body with wholesome goodness. Perhaps you're wondering, where do I find this community? Well, they're everywhere, from online forums, social media groups, to local meetups. You're never too far from a friendly plant-based enthusiast ready to share their experiences and guidance. Now, if you're feeling inspired and eager to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out, whether it's seeking advice, sharing your progress, or simply needing a bit of encouragement. This community is here for you. Remember, adopting a plant-based lifestyle isn't just about the food on your plate. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes health, wellness, and a deep respect for our planet and its resources. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Are you ready to transform your life with plant-based nutrition? Take control of your health. Nourish, restore, and revitalize your body with the wholesome goodness of plant-based foods. Your vibrant new lifestyle awaits.